Robust, waterproof, ready for any action. In tests, action cams also have to convince in terms of image quality, operation, and runtime. To show you the best action cams, we evaluated 740 tests. Hi, and welcome to our channel. The image quality of an action cam is particularly important to testers. Photos and videos must not only be convincing during the day, but also at dusk or during fast transitions from dark to light, and they must have a high resolution. To be able to take blur-free pictures and videos, at least an electronic image stabilizer should be installed. A frame rate of at least 120 frames per second is recommended so that videos can be played back smoothly and in super slow motion. The operation also plays a central role for testers. If the menu navigation is clear and all functions can be set with a few button clicks or even via a touchscreen, test magazines reward this with good marks. The WLAN function of an action cam is becoming increasingly important. This allows you to connect your camera to a smartphone, which then acts as a remote control. Smartphones have the advantage of a larger and clearer display, which makes operation easier. Also, many of the apps provided by manufacturers offer the ability to stream footage live. If you want to use your action cam for diving or surfing, you should make sure that it has a sufficiently long battery life of at least 90 minutes. Especially the inexpensive models often have their weak point here. Their battery sometimes does not even last 1 hour. Depending on the field of use, shape, size, and robustness also play a decisive role. Before we get to the ranking, I would like to ask you, if you liked the video so far, to leave a like or tell us in the comments what we should do better. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Then you won't miss any of our upcoming comparisons. And here comes the ranking now. We start with an overall rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars. The Insta360 One RS 1" 360 edition. At the time of testing, the price was around $800. High quality 360-degree camera for deep pockets. Strengths: equipped with two 1" image sensors, excellent image stabilization, extremely high quality workmanship, compatible with all One RS modules. Weaknesses: not waterproof, very high price. The One RS series from Insta360 now also has a 1" 360 edition in addition to the Twin Edition. This turns the modular action cam into a 360-degree camera quickly and easily. Included in this set are, of course, the One RS Core, a 1" 360 degrees lens with no less than two 1" sensors, a mount for the lens, as well as a vertical battery base and a lens cap for the 1" 360 degrees lens. According to the manufacturer, the lens delivers outstanding image quality and excellent dynamic range. A test report from the online trade magazine TechRadar largely confirms this, but finds that low-light shots could still be improved. What the testers really like, however, are the excellent image stabilization, that the image editing tools are easy to use, and that the edition is compatible with the other One RS components already on the market. One major drawback, however, is the water resistance. While Insta360 states that the One RS 1" 360 edition is water resistant, it qualifies that in the fine print behind an asterisk by saying the One RS 1" 360 degrees edition is IPX3 waterproof only when assembled and securely fixed in the mount. It is protected from light rain and snow, but should not be submerged in water or used for high water speed activities such as action sports in rainy weather, surfing, or water skiing. This means that it is unfortunately not suitable for all extreme sports and will therefore probably be far too expensive for most consumers at around $800 USD. Continuing with the GoPro Hero 10 Black and an overall rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars. At the time of the test, the price was around $390. Hooray, hooray, the new GoPro is here. Strengths: extremely high frame rates for individual purposes. Accessories from the predecessor can still be used. Weaknesses: not exactly inexpensive. High frame rates for great slow motion. In contrast to the last GoPro successors, Hero 9 Black or Hero 8 Black, which mainly received better displays and housings, the new Hero 10 Black now comes with an action cam with extremely high frame rates. With 4K recordings, 120 frames per second are possible, with full HD recordings even up to 240. In addition, the new model also offers a 5.3K resolution, 5,312, 2,988 with up to 60 frames per second. This makes it possible to achieve particularly great slow motion effects. All-round talent with WLAN and Bluetooth. GoPro keeps up with the times and promotes its new Hero 10 Black not only as an action cam, but also as a webcam and camera for live streaming. It is equipped with Bluetooth, GPS, and Wi-Fi. If you already own the Hero 9 Black, there's good news. Since the dimensions haven't changed, you can use all the accessories for the previous model on the new 10 version as well. By the way, I've linked you to all the featured action cams for even more details below in the video description. Now comes the Insta360 One RS boosted 4K edition with an overall rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars. At the time of testing, the price was around $315. Flexible due to possible lens change. Strengths: lens change possible. High image resolution. Powerful battery. Wi-Fi for connection with smartphone. Weaknesses: it depends on the edition whether an interchangeable lens is included in the scope of delivery. Underwater housing may have to be purchased additionally. What was previously reserved for system and cellular cameras is now making its way into the action cam sector, namely an interchangeable lens system. Depending on the edition, interchangeable lenses are already included in the scope of delivery. The 4K edition, which is the cheapest at around $350 USD, unfortunately only comes with one lens. Those who would like to use a 360-degree lens, in addition to the 4K boost lens, should buy the twin edition, which costs around $570 USD. That is cheaper than upgrading the action cam later. The camera technology is the same for all editions. It takes pictures with a very high resolution of 48 megapixels and videos in 4K. The housing is waterproof up to a water depth of 5 meters. Those who dive deeper will need an underwater housing. Unfortunately, it is not clear from the product sheet whether this is included.
Our conclusion? Of course, each product has its own strengths and weaknesses. So everyone should decide for themselves what suits you and of course your wallet best. We have linked all the products in the video description for even more details. Have you already decided? Or maybe you have one of these products at home. Then we would be happy if you let us know which device you prefer, and above all, why. I hope that I could help you a little deciding on your purchase. If so, please leave a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. That would really help us and the channel. Thanks for watching and see you very soon. Goodbye.